Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Lowe's yet again because we are doing another project. I'll show you when we get back to the house, but our plants are just growing at a crazy rate. And they've outgrown the current setup we have where we have the lights above them. So we need to upsize that. And we need to get some, basically I'll just keep watching, I'll show you, but here's for another garden video. Hey Lexi.
What?
It's rather bright in here. It's not the lights, it's my intelligence.
Or is it because I'm a star?
Oh snap.
Or do you want ones with music?
Yeah, let's get the music ones. That's so cool. Look at that. Shop light, please. We need that.
Not for $65, we don't.
64. We need that. We need that. That's awesome.
Okay.
All right, well.
Let's grab them.
No. Okay, these are what we're getting. T8s. Then we got to build
What's
a
the difference between that one and the red box? $2
T12.
more. Oh.
Those are T8s.
And T8's what we need for plants.
Yeah. Okay, we need one of these. All right, so here is an update on our garden. As you can see, everything's just, oh, let me get down here. Everything's just, it's crazy. It is crazy. The beans are just going at it. I mean, everything. Everything. Like, this is my little pepper bush thing. Peppers. The strawberry thing's coming out of it. It's just awesome. Awesome. So I'm going to build this, and you guys are going to sit here and watch it on a time lapse. So we got this built. I was going to take the extra ones and come off each way, but I didn't get the right fitting, so we're going to see how this works. But this it's about 5 foot tall, so we should be able to hang at least one shop light here and give proper distance for the light or whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yes, so that's what we're going to do, is set up the lights to hang from here, and we're just going to update you as we go. And just like that, we've got the light hung up, shining down. Plants look amazing. I need to add a little bit more soil in some of these, but it's all good. We transferred all the plants from the little disc to the solo cups. Tomatoes. Yeah, it's awesome. This all worked out great. These peas are just having a heyday. Tomatoes are just going crazy, and quite frankly, so is everything else. Man, they look really great on this camera. Alrighty, everybody, so we built the stand, replanted some plants, and I mean, it's pretty bright in here. We're gonna have to put on some sunglasses. But that's all I got for this video. We're probably gonna return the other lights. We bought 2, and we might put it up just to have more light. But anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.